Hello everyone, welcome to the Tech Guy Hub. And today I'll be talking about how to stabilize a shaky video. So if you are having a shaky video and you're thinking of how to stabilize it without using any app, then this particular video is for you. So this is the video that I want to stabilize. As you can see, the video is very shaky. Yeah, so that's a shaky video for you. And we'll be working on that. Yeah. So first of all, open your browser. Okay. Open your browser. Open your browser and visit this website. So visit this website. Visit this website. Yeah. So after you visit this website, tap on the video edit. Tap on this video edit or click on the video edit. And there will be a drop down menu. Okay. There will be a drop down menu. So scroll down. Scroll down and select video stabilizer. Video stabilizer. So select this. Yeah, and upload in here, upload the file that you want to upload. Yeah, the maximum size of the file should be 500 MB. That's 500 megabyte. That's the maximum file size you can upload in here. So upload the file, tap on the browser and upload the file that you want to. So the size of the file will determine the duration. So just hold on, wait for a while, have patience, and everything will be done. Okay, so you just be patient. So as I said, the size of your file will determine the duration. So if you have a big file size, then you have to wait for quite a long time. But if your file is small, then you won't have any problem. It will be done in just a minute. So for this particular file, the file is around 84 NB. That's 84 megabytes. So just wait patiently as the file is being uploaded. Yeah, so I will fast forward the video. Okay, so the stabilization is done and it took me 9 minutes. So with my file size, it took me 9 minutes. Yeah. And now the file size is 46 NB. So there has been some reduction in file size. So just tap on the download. So after the download is done, we'll be doing a comparison of the stabilized video and the unstabilized video. Okay, so this is the stabilized video. Okay, so the stabilized video is the one in the VLC file, and this is the shaky video, the original video. So let's play both. So as you can see, the stabilized video is better than the original video. Okay, so that's how easy and simple it is, to stabilize your shaky video, whether from a drone, phone, or whatever. So if you find this video useful and helpful, Don't forget to hit the subscribe button, hit the bell icon, give a sweet comment, and share this video to your loved ones. See you in the next video.